To place things in context, 10 billion people will be living on the planet by 2050. That's over 40% of our current population in less than 35 years. 75% will live in urban areas, and 95% of humanity will live within a day's travel of a city, many of which haven't been built yet or are not meeting the needs of today's populations. Personally, living in San Francisco, this issue is already too real. 5 billion, or half of them, will be in the global middle class, purchasing more cars, washing machines, refrigerators than ever before. 100% increase from today. Providing goods to the increasing population will require double the amount of material currently being used and double the amount of energy, requiring us to find new, better ways of making products and newer, cleaner sources of renewable energy.